In this video, I am going to discuss about two aspects regarding the decision regarding an interview by the chairman of National Highway Authority of India to the print media, and about the Ola's future plans with regard to electric vehicle. Now let us get into the first part. The chairman of National Highway Authority of India has said that they are of the idea of setting up charging stations uh, every 40 to 60 kilometers in future, and initially they are in an idea to set these charging stations for in a road span of 35,000 to 40,000 kilometers, and by 2023 they are of an idea of setting 700 charging stations, and those charging stations will have attached restrooms, restaurants, places for places where drivers like lorry drivers and so on to stay, and the petrol and diesel inputting stations, and even and so on. Even it would be better if it includes the natural gas, since some of the cars are also using natural gas. These are the things said by the national head of National Highway Authority of India. These are the things which he said. But when we see the same infrastructure in countries like United States, they have little central market zone, good market zone within every 60 kilometers. They have options for shopping and shops for every 60 kilometers. So even if not if for 60 kilometers, at least if there is supermarkets and so on for the supermarkets and other shops like malls and mini malls and so on for every 100 kilometers, it would be a good business opportunity for the corporates, and also it would be beneficial for those who are traveling. Sometimes we are able to see that some big hotels and some big industries like Ramraj and so on, they are having their shops on highways. It would be nice if it's prevalently available in all places, at least in a span of 100 kilometers, so that it would be still better. And even uh, the normal middle small scale industries could also do small investment in these regions to double their income, uh, so that they could have a good capital amount of money. So it would be better if it is being developed in this region, as I said, as the future is dependent upon fast transport and easy accessibility of products. I think I am deviating the topic, so let us get into the second part. The CEO of Ola, Bhavanish Agarwal, has said that Ola is having an idea to set up more than 1 lakh charging points across 400 cities, and it's planning to manufacture 1 crore units. If it's manufactured as it said, then the total in the total two-wheeler production, Ola will account nearly 15%, which is a very big number. And they released two versions of Ola on August 15th on our Independence Day, which is S1 and S1 Pro, with S1 for 99,999 and S1 Pro for 1,29,999. And the Ola CEO has also said that their electric vehicle their electric vehicle production will be resumed from November 1 and the sales also will be resumed from November 1, and they are having an idea to give for a test drive from November 10. Similar to Ola, there is another company called Ether. Both of these companies are prevalently involved in electric vehicle when it comes to Tamil Nadu. Both of these are involved in two wheelers. Even Ola's CEO Bharanish Agarwal said that they are having an idea to invest in four wheelers in future. In some days ago, before some days ago, the market of electric car in India is not so prevalent like the two wheeler since the four wheeler market uh, is expensive, and people of India, that is the top two, only the top 2% of India is uh, capable of buying the electric cars. So that's the reason the sales of electric car is not very good. It might decrease. It might increase in future if it is affordable. Even the bikes, the production of the bikes will may increase in future if it is affordable, as people are suffering due to the price hike of petrol, and even some of the moves of international politics is also uh, having a threat of making the petrol's price even higher in the days to come. So electric vehicles have a good future, and we all might have an opportunity to buy the electric vehicle in another 4 or 5 years, or at least within the next span of 10 years. And it would lead to a good cause by reducing the carbon emission, and by helping the world nations to achieve the aim of a zero carbon emission by the year 2050. We have discussed about electric and charging station with regard to this in two aspects in this video. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing about uh, the ways in which we will be having the future, and what are the trends will be changing in future. Thank you.